welcome to your first project. This is called the Elements of Design project. Your task is to create a composition that represents all of the design elements we have learned. So you need to have all of those elements in there. You need to have line, tone, color, texture, shape, and form. So make sure, as you're working, you include all of those in there. Your composition must be in response to the following quote: "Modern technology owes ecology an apology." So modern technology, things like computers, manufacturing, things, big trucks, stuff like that, owes ecology. So ecology is like basically nature and apology. So keep in mind that's what your composition has to be based upon. You must ensure you have a message you are trying to convey with your composition. Again, that message must relate to the quote above. Explain how you use each element to help get your message across to the viewer, and be prepared to present your final composition and explanations to the class. I will just show you a couple examples here. So some of these were done for this assignment. Let's see. This one, Marina has a before picture of a lovely field, and she's photoshopped this deer into it. She has the quote, and then she has afterwards a big gray dreary city, showing how we've taken nature that way. There's also, this one's kind of neat, that Taylor did. She has a nice tree and a bulldozer coming to bulldoze it down, a plane, some smokestacks. This creates some nice texture in the background. A person there reading or texting or being sad that we're ruining the planet. Here's this one. This one's Jordan Yurkowicz's, and she has her beautiful nature, and she has some funky morphing type shapes, and it morphs into smokestacks and garbage. Looks pretty neat anyway. And it fits the quote, so. Yeah. So there's a few of the good ones. There's also a couple that were like this one. Jessica Wenland did this. So we have a nice beautiful green tree, and the smoke and the pollution is killing it. And she, of course, took an image of a tree and then photoshopped all that other stuff in, and it looks quite effective too. So those are some examples. Be creative. Looking forward to seeing what you and your class comes up with. This project will be evaluated using the project rubric. So it's different than the assignment rubric. So it's out of 16 marks. Sorry, it's out of 20 marks. For message, to get 4 out of 4, your message has to be clear, effective, and well presented to the viewer or audience. Composition must use the design elements and principles effectively in creating your composition. All the requirements of the assignment need to be met and exceeded to get 4 out of 4 for requirements. For presentation, it needs to be interesting, well-rehearsed, and smooth delivery that holds our attention. And originality. Your project needs to show a large amount of original thought, ideas. It needs to be creative and inventive. So if you do all of that, you'll get 20 out of 20 there. that's about it. So remember to use your different techniques in Photoshop, right? We should be blending with the eraser. We should be adjusting opacity. We should be adjusting the color and the contrast and all of that good stuff using the quick select tool. I want to see all those skills in this assignment. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoy it. Have fun.